Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Notion AI to autofill table rows from content. First, open Notion and create or open a page with a table database. Make sure your table has columns like title, description, category, or any fields you want to fill. Next, add your content to the page. This could be notes, text, or any information you want to turn into structured data. Now, click inside a table cell where you want the data to appear. Type a/ and choose Ask AI or click the AI option. Then write a prompt like, fill this table using the content above or extract key points and organize them into this table. Notion AI will analyze your content and autofill the rows and columns with relevant information. You can review the results, edit anything if needed, or regenerate for better output. And that's it! You can now quickly turn unstructured content into organized tables using Notion AI, saving time and boosting productivity. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.